Hello guys, it's the Trader Nixon channel. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, make sure you like this video. I'm here with Sammy. Once again, I already told you in the previous videos that Sammy is going to chat. He's going to dive deeper into his strategy and give us some charts. You understand? A breakdown of how he charts. And then that's what we are going to do. So I want Sammy to tell us about how he charts before we even go onto the trading view platform to draw these lines.
Okay, so mostly I use trend lines with support and resistance, and I get some. If I get any good confluences attached to it, then I take my trade.
Okay. So you look at the trend line, support and resistance, but you're missing something about SMC, smart money concept.
Smart money concepts. That has to do with market structure.
Okay.
Yes, but sometimes I use market structure too. If the market is going like uptrend, then I use the market structure to show me like the break of structure, the change of character before I enter. Yeah.
So what are the things that you need to see to place a trade?
When it comes to the market structure.
Okay.
Market structure, if it's going an uptrend, there's no way you need to sell. Well, if it's going an uptrend, you have to wait for the retest before you enter. At the end of the retest, then you enter. So like if you enter, your take profit should be above the previous high.
Okay.
Your take profit should be above the previous high, which would be the next high.
So what do you need to see? Like, what are the confluences that you see before you place a trade?
Okay, we have the candlesticks. If you take notice of the candlesticks, you have doji candles, doji, a lot of doji with some names, gravestone, and engulfing candlesticks too, and other blocks. Other blocks in the fair value gaps.
Okay. So you look at these candlesticks, doji, engulfing candles, which is the bearish and the bullish, and then you look at other blocks
and fair value gaps.
So if you are listening to me, you don't know other block. I don't know how he defines his other block, but it's just price tapping into a resistance zone and making a move up, tapping into a support zone and making a move. You understand me? So if an order block basically is going to be, let's say we have a very bearish candle on any time frame at all, and then price moves from the downside as in bullish, taps into that sell candle and then makes another sell to the downside. These are other blocks. You understand? So am I right with that one?
Of course you are.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Because I don't do SMC, blah blah blah. I don't really do anything like that. I really do. People listening to me who doesn't even know the strategy, what I do, blah blah blah. You understand? So, guys, I have Sammy here, and we are going into trading view right now. So Sammy can break down how he goes about his charts. And trust me, we have already done the charting, and just follow. Understand? He's not really familiar with recording and giving commentary whilst chatting, so just bear with him and follow whatever he has to teach you guys. Thank you guys for coming into the Trader Nixon channel again. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, make sure you like this video. Sammy, I've really taken enough of your time. Apart from trading, what do you do?
I think that's basically it.
Only trading. All right, thank you very much for coming through. God bless you, bro.
Okay. So this the British pound against the Swiss franc. So this on the 4 hour time frame, but like when I start, I use the daily time frame to get like the overview of the chart, a close look at of how the market has been behaving for some days now. So if you can see from here, okay, let me zoom in the chart. So if you can see from here, I drew this trend line here, and you can see the market has touched the trend line several times, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it made some fake outs, but still it touched the line. So you can see it's a valid trend line. And then when you check up here too, you can see there's a trend here, like a downtrend. So I mostly trade with support and resistance and then trend line. So here you can see the trend line. You can see the market has touched this level a lot of times. One, two, three, fake outs, but like you can see it's valid because
still touch
yeah,
it.
it's still touch it, yeah, valid. So from what could you say? Could you say something like if the candle touch um the trend line at least 3 times, then it means it's valid. That means to come back to retest it. So here, you see it's going in like an uptrend. It's going uptrend. So when it got here, when it got to this support line, okay, this line to here, it obeyed this line one, two. So like I drew this line here.
Use the mouse pad.
So when it got to this area right here, you can see that it's touched this line several times. Okay, one, two. So I drew this one. So when the market, the market
The market, what area are you?
here,
The market came back to retest this.
not the retest. I'm not the retest part. So okay, okay, let me go back to forward. Okay, good. So you can see that the market broke this area right here, and it came to touch the other block.
Okay.
The other block is on the daily time frame. I want the daily time frame, and then you can see the other block. And mostly other blocks they are mostly effective on like a higher time frame. So I mostly use the daily time frame. So daily time frame, it came and then it came to retest the other block once here, over here, and it came back to retest it, but like it did not actually touch into that zone, but still it's a retest.
Okay.
So when it retested and it came back to my my former demand area, which is right here,
Okay.
and it when it retested here, I actually entered this market here.
Okay.
Yeah. So when it got to the side and the way it was behaving, I saw that oh now it will return back. So I left it. I left the market here.
So basically, this is how you look at your chart.
Yes. I start from the daily.
The daily.
Yeah. See the overview of the market.
So what's the least time frame you get to?
Um 1 hour.
Okay.
Oh.
So do you make your entries in a 1 hour time?
Yeah,
You don't go to the 30 minutes.
no. And then mostly if you before you enter the trade, make sure you have at least 2 3 confluences.
Okay.
You can't just enter the trade because
Oh, so you look up to 2 3
yeah,
confluences
of
before you
course.
make your trade.
Of course.
Okay. That's okay.
This one it came back to this demand zone. That's my first confluence, and then it's also touched this trend line too. Came back to the demand zone and also touched this trend line too before it went.
All right. All right. So how do you? What's the name of your strategy?
This one is I used trend line and both trend line and support and resistance plus other block.
Okay.
Analysis with other block.
So these are confluences that you are mentioning. So what is the name you've given to the strategy?
I don't get the
Like like maybe Bianoka strategy. What's the name you're giving to the strategy?
that's support and resistance.
Support
With
and
trend
resistance.
line. But like the
So what
confluences
you are mentioning are confluences.
the support and resistance.
Support and resistance is a confluence that when you is a thing that when you see, you know that okay, market has come into the support level or a resistance level. What other thing do you look for in that resistance or support level where you want to take a trade?
What other thing do I
Look for
or maybe like an
trend.
engulfing candle?
Good. So all these things are confluences
Yeah, yeah,
that you are looking
of
for.
course.
So all these confluences come together. That Kojo is having a strategy called the good
Yeah,
strategy.
of course.
You understand?
Yeah,
So he named the strategy. So
I've
what
named
name are you giving to your strategy?
I don't know. I'm
You don't
not
have any name.
no, of course, no, no, no,
Okay,
no.
that's what I mean. I'm not scaring you out. I'm just asking you. All right. So basically, this is how you chart.
Yeah,
This is how you look at the
yeah.
charts.
Very simple.
And
Clear.
guys watching this video right now, Um, pardon Sammy because I don't think he's familiar with recording while starting and all that. So he's kind of he knows what he's doing, but the way he's gonna portray the information to you guys to do. So I'm not going to really edit anything on this. Just follow what he's saying and you understand. From here, I understand what he means. So I don't see any reason why you don't have to or you don't understand. So Sam, thank you. This is basically
Yes.
how you chat. So let's end this.